As a landscape designer, I want to help my clients understand what the right balance is between hardscape and softscape. And I'll oftentimes start with, well, how many people are you going to be entertaining out here? And that'll help us determine what the footprint of the hardscape should be. Do we need a 500 square foot patio, or is it more appropriate to have a 200 square foot patio? Are we going to have a dozen people over here on a regular basis, or is this really a space for 2 people to come out and relax and enjoy? That's going to help us determine how big this hardscape is going to be. That's going to have a big determination on budget at that time as well. And from there, we want to think about the softscape. Do we want a low maintenance solution for the softscape? And if so, well, we should probably aim towards the use of some native plants that will spread and fill in the garden areas that we've created, that we've designed. And we want to think about having blooms spring, summer, and fall, as well as multiple canopy heights so that we get some drama in that softscape to back up the hardscape and really create some balance. Hardscaping has a kind of a permanent kind of backbone feel to it in the landscape, and the softscape is where we get that creative essence coming in and kind of being the color and the texture and the drama of the landscape that really brings that design essence out. And so balancing the two is very important and based on what clients want to see and how they're going to use the space.